Hiya, welcome back. I just thought I would show you a little bit of a haul that I got. It was my birthday last week or so. So I bought a load of stuff from Elizabeth Craft Designs. I used their Europe shop because they've got US, UK and Europe. So I just got a load of stuff that was on sale and I just thought I'd show you what I got. I've taken all the packaging, you know, all the clear packaging so it didn't make a load of noise. So the first thing I got was this, the mini TN, the cool grey one. It's passport size. It's just so cute. And it's just like you would make your own TN with the bits there. It's got the elastics inside. You can just, you put your pages in, you can take them out, work on them, put them back in, do whatever you want. It's refillable obviously, so you can just work away on it. So that was that. I got this artsy pants, it's called. It's a stencil. I'll see if I can show you. A bit card there. It just says, at that moment you are in the mood to make some gorgeous pages in your loose leaf planner journal. And it's got artsy pants, that moment, gorgeous pages planner, journal, and a bit of decoration here and there. So I just thought that would be quite good to do a bit of background. Put that there. I have the cute winter couple. That's the girl. And that's the boy there. And that's the numbers there if you're looking for it. This one is the lady and the gentleman. It's easier to see that way. And that's the number there if you're looking for it. I like this one, Earthy Girls, this is called. I like that one. And that one. Oh, sorry. That's the number if you need to look that up. And some journal phrases one, this is. It's got a load, crafting in progress, keep going, inspiration, created to create, journal your life, the best is yet to come. That's the back of it. And that's the number there if you're looking for it. And I got 2 paper pads, although they come loose. So there's 12 pages, I think. Yeah, 12 double-sided sheets of 12 by 12. And this is the Wanderlust one. And it's got one on the other side. I don't know how much of this I'll be able to show you. There's one under there. Yeah, I like this one. I'll turn these ones over. That one, quite like that. And that. So that was the Wanderlust one. Put that out of the way. And the other one is Summer Art. That's yours. Oh, turtles on that one. Oh, I like that. No, I like that one. The other side. Nice. see all this? I like that. Oh, it's quite moody, I like that, vintage. Nice. Well, I'm going to be able to do quite a bit with these. The other side. That's nice. That one. This one. Beautiful. Let's see the other side of that one. And that. Lovely. So that's all them. It was really just to show you a couple of things. I have this journal. It's in my shop at the moment. I've done a really quick video on it, but I wanted to show you it a bit closer to get the full I don't even know what word I'm looking for. But anyway, I think I showed you little bits here and there of this. I just thought I'd show you. This is a spring one. It started out really colourful and then I toned it down a little bit. But there's still a lot of colour in it. A lot of colour in it. So nice. I mean, if this doesn't go, I might even just keep this for myself because I love all the colour in it. As well as the vintage feel. There you go, that's actually a little tuck, tiny tuck in there. The bunnies and the chicks. And this whole journal was made from images and papers from Kate Crafts. I've done my own die cuts, but everything else, apart from the paper, is from her shop. And she's Kate Crafts Designs on Etsy. Let's get that back in. There we go. Oh, what time? I'm trying not to be too long because I don't know how much space I've got. But this is quite a big journal, so I'm trying to speed through it. I've actually put 10% off all journals in my shop at the moment. So if you had your eye on this, then you can get 10% off it. Or if you put it in your cart and leave it for a bit, you'll get a code sent to you for 20% off. So that's another trick. It was a card I got from somebody on Etsy, I think it was. Someone bought something. I like that. But yeah, I just had a load of fun with colour and cuteness with this journal. There we go, and you can see some stamping that I've done. That's one of the Elizabeth Craft Designs stamps, and you can see where I was trying out some of those little wax seal things. I've got myself a mould now, so I can actually do them round. But yeah. There you go, some lovely bright die cuts that I've been using. And card. Chicks dig me. I mean, these are writing pages, but I don't even know if I would be able to write on them. They're that nice. Let's just breathe. The bunny one, something else. Be happy. What we got here? Oh, it's just a flip. Oh, that was on it. Just a plain journaling card. It's got little pockets here and there. Window pocket. Some other little tags. So I've just got 3 signatures. This one. Okay. That's from my magazine. And that. And this. There's a couple of bits there. And there. It's raised up that bit. Couple of tags. I'm speeding along now because I'm checking the time. Okay. A couple of things in there. Some fabric and bits. There's loads to keep you busy, and there's loads of space where you can write as well. There's another page. Some bits there. Some lace. I've tried to put everything in this and use everything as well. Oh, it's a double pocket. Little pocket there, some space. And I've got an envelope here, and it's got some bits that were left over. I'll not take them out because it's a bit of a surprise. This was literally just an envelope I had in my starter, just covered the front. And bummed it in there for you. And there you go. That's that. Well, thanks very much for your time, and I'll see you the next time. Bye.